am Ram Kishan from Indore. Here I am discussing, is Islam a civil religion? 80% of the human society today in the world, they follow a generally accepted civil law. About 20% of the human society today, they follow their own Sharia law, Islamic law. Muslims believe that as per their Sharia law and as according to their Prophet Muhammad, only Muslims are entitled to live in this world, and all non-Muslims should be declared as kafir, or those they deserve to be killed. 64% of Quran deals with non-Muslims, how to treat them, how to convert them, and what should be done by the Muslims about these kafirs or non-Muslims. Division about Muslim and non-Muslim itself is against the civil law. Any religion talking about killing of other person itself is against the law, and it is the biggest crime on earth. Such a human society which talks about killing others, that society must be segregated. The human civil society should not deal with them. They should not give them any money to survive. Now they have got 57 countries, and they can go to their 57 countries and live there. It is well known to everybody that these Muslims in 57 countries are fighting among themselves. There are about 70 divisions, and they on every Friday, in Islamic country like Pakistan, every Friday these Muslims attack Shia Muslims will kill them. Every year more than 4,000 Muslims are killed belonging to their own community. Slovakia has banned Quran. Slovakia has put lot of restriction for Mohammedan to come to their country. In China, there are concentration camps. There are lakhs of Muslims. They are being treated separately. There are 16,000 mosques have been destroyed. Recently in Sweden, there was great trouble created by this Muslims. Everywhere you find that Muslims are creating problems and trouble. Everybody knows about 9/11 incidents of America. Everybody knows about Kashmir, about 5 lakh Hindu Pandit. They were driven from their homes. Just see, when there is a democracy in India, there is a central government, state government, there is a Supreme Court which can take sumoto recognition, then there is a police, army, etc., etc. Even then, 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit were driven out in 1990. So this is the state of affairs of the human society, where all these Muslims are bent upon creating problems. Recently, at the time of Donald Trump visit, they created Delhi riot. Recently in Bangalore, they created riot. All over the country, they are bent upon creating problems and problems. This is the story everywhere. So, does it mean that Islam is a civil law? It doesn't belong to any civil society. Everybody in the world should unite, study Quran, study Hadith, study Muhammad's life, and don't deal with the Muslims. This has been the message given by Bodh Saint Virathu. Lot of details are available on Google and net. Please search Virathu and follow it like that. You have your own way of treating these Mohammedans, because they are not going to be corrected. Thank you so much for listening, and for please spread this message so that we bring in a peaceful society on this earth.